In this video, we will show you how to use ISL Lite to connect to an unattended computer via RDP, the built-in remote desktop protocol for Windows machines. This comes specifically in handy, since ISL Online allows an RDP connection to be established to a Windows computer in a remote network without VPN tunneling or any firewall changes. So let's just start by setting it up. We'll first need to configure ISL Always On, our unattended access agent, to allow tunneled connections. So just click on ISL Always On in the system tray, and then select Settings. Once that's done, go to the Advanced menu. Uncheck Use Default Server Settings, and then click Allow Tunnel Connections, and then save. Okay, so now for the second and final step of the configuration, enabling RDP sessions on the Windows computer. Simply navigate to our Windows display settings and select Remote Desktop. Make sure that Enable Remote Desktop is turned on, and then go down and click on Select Users that can remotely access this PC. Click Add. Now just enter the Windows account username and click OK. Everything should be set up now, so let's start our first RDP connection. On the operator side, go to the Computers tab in ISL Lite. Click on the Action button next to the computer we would like to connect to. Then click Connect Via an RDP. Now, right here, we can also see the ability to set RDP as the default method of connecting to this computer. That way, the next time we click on the computer, ISL will remember to launch the RDP login screen without needing to go to Actions. We can also, of course, reset it if we would like to use ISL Lite. So with all that out of the way, let's click Connect and enter the remote computer's Windows username and password. And there we go. We have just launched RDP through ISL Lite. For a full list of everything RDP has to offer, do check out our help page and see you next time.